Good morning children, welcome to Narayana live classes. In today's class, I am going to explain about intercept. What is intercept? See, if a transversal intersects two lines at distinct points, L and M are the two lines which are intersected by a transversal P, then the transversal intersects L and M at two distinct points, isn't it? So what are the points here? Suppose A and this is B. Now the distance between A and B, that is nothing but intercept. Okay. So if a transversal intersects two lines at distinct points, the distance between those 2 points is called intercept. So here AB is called intercept. AB is called intercept. Okay. So the length of AB. Suppose if AB length is 5 centimeters. So intercept length how much? We can say 5 centimeters. So for example I am saying. Next. Let us see the properties of intercept. Okay. So in that, first property is, if three lines are intersected by two transversals, if three lines are intersected by two transversal, let me take three lines as LMN, okay, and the two transversals P and Q I have taken, and they are intersecting the parallel lines at distinct points A, B, C, and here this is D, E, F. Okay, then what we can say is the ratio of these intercepts made by them are equal. Ratios of the intercepts. What is the ratio of these intercepts on the first transversal? AB by BC. AB by BC is equal to, what is the ratio of the intercepts of another transversal? DE by EF. So ratios will be equal, nothing but the intercepts are in proportion. Okay, that is first property. Then coming to the second property, suppose if the lengths of these intercepts are equal, if lengths of the intercepts are equal, I mean what I want to say is, if AB length and BC length is equal. Second property is, if AB length is equal to BC length, same way DE length is equal to EF length. So what we can say is, lines are parallel. What is that? Lines are parallel. What are the lines here? L is parallel to M is parallel to N. Lines will be parallel. So if the ratio of intercepts are equal, of course line will be parallel, and also if the lengths of the intercepts are equal, then what we can say? Lines are parallel. Okay, that is second property. Okay, now let me tell you about intercept theorem. intercept theorem. What is meant by intercept theorem? When three parallel lines are intersected by two transversals, I am naming them. This is P and Q transversals, and these are the lines L, M, N. Okay, if they intersect these lines at distinct points A, B, C, and this is D, E, F, then the ratio of the intercepts are equal. The ratio of the intercepts are equal. What is the ratio here? AB by BC. That is the ratio of these two intercepts, and same on the other transversals also. What is the ratio of the intercepts? DE by EF. So ratios of intercepts are equal. That is intercept theorem. Okay. So this is about intercept theorem, children. That's all for today. Thank you.